Most of you are probably familiar with sorting in Excel. Let's put some auto filters on this data by hitting Control-Shift-L, and you can sort alphabetically by clicking that button. The issue is when you're trying to sort things that shouldn't be sorted alphabetically, that quick option doesn't really give you what you want. So in this case, days of the week, we don't want them sorted alphabetically. We'd rather have them sorted by when they occur during the actual week. To solve this, we can do a more advanced sort. Click on the Data tab and then click Sort. When this box comes up, you can click down on this order and select Custom List, and it will bring up this box. And you can see that one of the options is days of the week. So it will sort according to that list right there. If we click OK, now our sorting is done by when the day actually occurs in the week. We can even do a custom sort as well. Let's go over here to this tab. Here we have a list of people and the region that they are in our company. And these regions align with the time zone. So what we want to do is we actually want to sort these from west to east coast. So we want to see the west region first, mountain next, central next, and then finally end with east. Obviously, if we sort these alphabetically, it doesn't give us what we want. So we again come over to the Data tab and click Sort, and we select Custom List. Because that isn't a default custom list, we have to create our own. So we'll click on Add, and over here now we put in the order that we want these items in. So we'll say West, press Enter, Mountain, press Enter, Central, press Enter, and East. If we click OK, now it has sorted our data based on the way that we put it in that custom list.